Hi guys, here is how you can embed YouTube Shorts on your WordPress website. So first let me go to our channel, and here are some of the short videos. Let us try to embed this one. Let me open it. I will pause this. Now to embed this, right-click and copy the embed code. Go to your WordPress dashboard. I am already in. Go to Pages and add New. And here go to Text and paste it. You can customize this width and height. Give it a title and publish. Let me open the link. So it will look like this. Now for those who want to embed it as a normal video, let me go to the video. Here, replace the shorts text with the watch in the URL. This will play as normal videos. Now right-click and copy the embed code. Let me paste it here and update it. If I refresh this page. So these are two ways to embed your YouTube Shorts. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.